CPT JJ-CPV Evaluation and Management E&M Services Guidelines, page 5, part 2. Now we're just going to define some terms, okay? We're going to define concurrent care. What is concurrent care? And then later transfer of care. But in this theory review, we're going to define what is concurrent care. And can we read that?
Concurrent care is the provision of similar services,
For example, hospital visits
to the same patient by more than one physician or other qualified healthcare professional on the same day.
Right. So concurring means at the same time, right? So if there are 2 or 3 more services provided by different physicians to one patient in the same day, that's concurrent, which means they were all provided at the same time. Okay, that's the only definition that they're explaining to you in this theory part. And there's a little more explanation there about concurrent care plans, right? And that's our theory for today. Now let's do a problem. Ready, set, go. Okay, CPT JJ-RVA, page 249, problem 23, and this is a level 1 problem, and the title is
Autograft.
Autograft, which means that it's a graft. They have taken a piece of the skin from one part of the body and they put it into another part of the body in the same patient. The auto means self, or the same patient, right? So let's read the problem.
Surgery integumentary system.
Which means skin.
10 square centimeters epidermal autograft to the face from the back.
Okay, so it's a 10 square centimeters. That's the size of the graft, and it's the epidermal, which is the, you know that the skin is divided in 3 parts: the epidermis, the dermis, and the subcutaneous layer, right? So in this case is the first part, right, which by itself has 5 more divisions, but we're not being that specific. Anything that falls into the first 5 strata is called epidermal. So this is an epidermal autograft, means that it's a piece of the skin from the patient, from another part of his body, has been placed into this part of the body, right? And it's from the face. It was taken from the face, or to the face, and the piece of skin was taken from the back, right? So they took a piece of skin from the back and then put it on his face. That is the procedure. Now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the CPT code for this procedure. 1, 2, 3. Well, the answer is 15115 or 15115. Okay? You got that? If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a few tips. First tip.
Start with autograft.
Start with autograph. That will get you to going, okay? But we're not going to give you more because it's very self-explanatory. As long as you go to the index and you start with autograph, you will get it. Now, if you want to understand the procedure a little more, we have 3 A+ videos right there that we advise you to see. And if you have a little more time and you're very interested in this particular procedure, there are more links over there that can explain it to you a little further. Okay, so now you have our tips, you have the links, and you have the answer. So now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the path, how we got to the answer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the whole problem. This is a surgery section of the CPT code. Is the integumentary system, which is the skin, and it's a 10 square centimeter epidermal autograft to the face from the back, right? There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to autograft.
You go to the A, and then you look for the word autograft, right? And then?
Then you go to skin.
Go to skin.
Then you go to epidermal.
Epidermal, because remember there are 3 layers in the skin. We're concentrated on the first layer, which is the epidermis, so go to epidermal. And you get a range of codes there, right? The range of codes is 151110 to 15115, right?
Right.
110 to 115, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to go to the tabular to see which one of these codes is our code. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
We go to a tabular,
Then you go to 15110.
which is the first one, right?
Yes.
And the first one, it has the whatever we need, epidermal autograft, but this is the trunk, right?
Right.
So it means that the recipient is the trunk, so we don't need that, right? So let's try the next one.
15111 is each additional.
Each additional for the same trunk, so we don't need that. Keep going.
5115 is epidermal autograft face.
To the face, which is exactly what we need. To the face, it says, from the back, to the face, right? And now, why do we choose specifically this one? Because it says 100 square centimeters or less. In our case, it's 10, which is less than 100 square centimeters, right? So that's why the answer is, there's a double equal sign there, which means that we found the answer. So our answer is this one, right? 15115. Okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website. And also
you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
right, clicking the subscribe button, you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that's needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
So don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.